welcome back to another video of cheznjordz. Today we are off going for a walk around the beach and doing some hiking and see where we end up. Yes.
So come with us.
Yes.
Let's go.
So yesterday we got very sunburned.
Yeah.
I got very sunburned. John just will turn into a tan, but I at the moment am a beetroot, a red tomato. Got sunburn all on my arms, my legs and my face. And where'd you get the sunburn, John?
Nowhere really. It's always Cheryl.
It's just more me. Yay. And I'm going to get sunburnt again today. But I'm covered up today, shoulder-wise. What a great name for a shop. Hyper China. I wonder where all their products are from. Don't know. Maybe India?
So I bought some sunglasses now. And I'm not very sure about them. Cheryl chose them. So
I didn't choose them.
Put it in the comments if you think they're dorky or not.
No, I did not choose them.
Yes,
I pointed them out.
So yesterday, disaster happened and I cut my toe, didn't I, Cheryl?
Yes, he did.
I cut it over there at that beach. I'll show you that beach in 1, 2, 3, go! Because we're such nice people, we'll show you the rock that I cut my toe on. Let's go! The rock I cut my toe on has disappeared, hasn't it, Cheryl?
Apparently so.
So the rock disappeared and now we're leaving the beach because I'm disappointed. We took the unbeaten path.
And found this really nice view by doing that.
Hello, Mr. Horse.
We found 5 horses.
1, 2, 3, and there's another one over there.
4, 5, so yeah.
Cheryl's coming down the hill. Here comes Cheryl.
Wahoo! Oh god. Steep.
Curse this shitty hill. We just fell down this little bit here. What have we found, Cheryl?
This amazing view. Stunning. The water looks so nice.
I think we're going to walk over there.
wrapping up here now, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like and subscribe, and we'll see you very soon. Ciao for now.